Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody.
Good morning, KL. It's our day 1. We're going there later. See you guys prepping up. So it's day 1, guys. And simplihan lang natin. We got a bralette. Okay. Comfy shoes, comfy sandals will do. This is from Celine. Then I got a bag from Christian Dior and shades and an old skirt anyway. So, ready? Let's go! So, that's Papa. And dala niya lahat ng gamit namin. While ako naman, magara naman ng salamin dito. Okay. Just a style. You're just good. So, we're going out, guys. Ayan. OOTD. Yeah, that's my OOTD. Let's start. Labas na kami from our hotel. So, andito na yung mga kasama ko. And Baba, si Ella. Na puro tulog. Si Hash. Who inspired you with your outfit? Oh. And si Ate Roma. Saan kayo kumain? Tingnan mo, meron na naman papuwet si Ate Roma.
Sa McDonald's.
Si Ate Roma mo yan. Pag si Ate Roma, may papuwet. So, ito si Marky. Ano natin, diba? Palitada. And then, who inspired your outfit? What is your outfit for the day?
I was inspired by Vice Ganda. Dito sa Toilet Station.
And Chris Ann.
Also.
And
Also, I have a Santolan Station.
let me see your Santolan Station.
Santolan Station.
Who inspired you sa outfit mo?
My outfit is inspired by Camila de la Torre.
Camila. Okay, the
Yes.
Killer Bride.
Yes.
And how about your face? Who inspired that balat-balat?
Dry season. Sarap.
So, saan kayo kumain?
Sa McDo. At guys, yung McDo dito may dilis. Okay, sa dilis dyan.
Kahit na nag-ask
Magkano yun?
50
50 ringgit.
Okay.
Mura na ba yun?
So, are you ready sa first day natin ng paglilibot?
Let's go.
Ay?
Let's go.
Ano?
Let it go.
We are going to the park. Wherein makikita namin yung Petronas Tower. So, taray nung nila, flag. Ang dami. Menara Prestige. Nice. Yan na yung Petronas Tower. Nakikita na namin. kapag nasa city ka, syempre, mas mabilis lang, accessible sa lahat, and in the long run kasi mas makakatipid tayo dahil more on lakad lang. Magkakalapit lang din kasi yung mga ano dito, destination or yung nasa itinerary namin. Daray dito, no? Kahit saan pa pwede ka mag-yossi. Oo. Kahit saan dito pwede ka mag-smoke. Pero nakalagay naman, no smoking. Wow! Ano?
What is the law?
Yung restrictions nila about
Oo, daray.
Oo, hindi strong eh. Ayun nga, umang sa'yo niya. Mama Mall.
That's the mall. Ay! Punta tayo ng mall mamaya.
Kaso, wala kang pera, kaya saka na.
Ano? Saka na.
Bili tayo ng ano niyan. Saka na.
Nandito na kami sa park. And thanks to Baba kasi siya ang aming the map. Ayan. So, ayan na yung Petronas Tower. Siyempre, big pack time! So, paalis na kami dito sa KL Park. So, pupunta kami sa Sultan Abdul sa Mal Building. So, paano tayo makapunta doon? Maglalakad? Okay. Magta-taxi? Magkano?
Nilakarin 40 minutes.
Okay. So, optional naman. Kung marami kayong time, pwede kayong maglakad. That will take you 40 minutes. Pero in our case, magta-taxi kami. How much yung taxi?
Wala pa, less than 20.
Less than 20 ringgit. Okay. Taxi, papunta doon. Hindi tayo magbabas. Free bus service, oh. Ayun, oh. Siyempre, wag kakalimutan ang skill natin sa pagtatanong para hindi tayo maligaw. Oo. Free bus.
LCC. Kaso hindi.
Makinis, maputi siya, pero may ganon. Bakit sobrang haba ng kanyang mga buhok?
Alright.
Okay, so ito na yung
28.
taxi.
4.29.
4.29 ringgit each. So 30 yung ride papuntang Sultan Abdul Samal.
Sultan ka na rat.
What happened? Nauntog siya.
Ano na nga, she?
Kilala mo pa ba kami?
Ay, nabula. Alright.
Hello. Alright. Bait ni Kuya, idinaan kami dito sa chocolate factory nang walang bayad. Okay? So, ang reminder sa lahat, aside for minding your step, minding your own life. Okay, so madam, this is the original chocolate since 2008, 12 years. This three our process handmade chocolate. Mini Petri, our process handmade chocolate. We accept US dollar, Singapore dollar, Peso, Thai baht, and credit card. This one. My free taste.
Almond.
Ay, sorry.
Ambil. How's the taste? How's the taste?
Sarap.
Tikman daw.
Almond, chocolate almond. This masarap talaga. Masarap talaga. You can also buy pasalubong here. Yung mga chocolates nila. Buy 5, free 2.99. Ayan. daming chocolate.
Tiramisu, no, tiramisu.
Tiramisu. No, tiramoko.
The first one you eat this bitter. The last one is sweet.
So guys, naghahanap kami ng tubig. Pwede din yun. Pero kung gusto nyo makatipid, gayahin natin si Chris Ann. Galing sa basurahan. Ayan. So from Sultan Abdul, andito lang, katabi lang niya yung KL Gallery. And we're going to the KL Gallery now. Ang ganda ng mga structure dito, no? Though hindi pa ako nakakarating ng ng Zamboanga. Pero based dun sa mga nakikita kong pictures, ganyan siya. Yung mga structure, para siyang mga temple, which is so good. So, merong bayad dito sa kanilang KL Gallery, which is 20 ringgit. So, we are going to the Lake Garden. Hindi na kami dumaan ng Bird Garden. Pero, optional if you want, 58 ringgit. So from KL Gallery, kung pupunta kayo ng Lake Garden, 20 ringgit lang yung bayad papunta doon. So we're going to the Lake Garden. Okay, so Lake Garden is walang bayad. Meron ding free shuttle. We are going to Sky Deck. The KL Tower International. Since mahaba pa yung pila, dito na kami sa may sa Pinas, kain muna kami before kami pumili. Kasi kanina pa kami dito. Ito yung ticket, binili namin siya via KLOOK kasi mas mahal kung dito nyo siya bibilin or yung mga naka-walk-in. Oh. Here's the map and the map. This is observatory deck. Grabe, ang ganda. Perfect. Yes. Okay.
We're going to the highest level for Sky Deck, PHO5. It's 394 meters from the sea level. And you can go to 2 skybox at Sky Deck. After finish, you can go level 1 observation deck in lobby.
Grabe, ang taas. Punta kami dun sa Skybox 2. It's my level. Shucks.
This is Malaysia at night.
Welcome to Malaysia!